Teachers, parents, and politicians have been trying to erase the achievement gaps that plague Connecticut schools. But the issue is, at the very heart of it, a student one. Who better than to address it than, well, students? Quinnipiac University's chapter of Students for Education Reform was recently launched by Junior Jordan Nadler. He credits a movie for inspiring him to make a difference.
Movie Waiting for Superman. That was the first time I was really exposed to those inequalities in our public education system. And it was just something that really struck me, and I knew that this was something that I needed to be part of.
The group's goal is to make more people on campus aware of the disparities in the public education system and spur legislators to take action. Today, Quinnipiac's Estford chapter is hitting the road. The destination? Hartford, where they will join students from Yale, Wesleyan, and Conn College at a rally for Governor Malloy's education reform package.
I want kids to have the same opportunities that I have.
Estford kicks the night off by attending a speech by Governor Malloy and other lawmakers. Then, it's on to the Capitol building, where they watch the legislative proceedings from screens set up in meeting rooms.
The big reason of why I'm here is just to sort of see the process and talk to people who are involved.
Nadler reminds his fellow college students that just being in college is a privilege that too many kids never get to enjoy.
Kids, aren't exposed to what it's like to go to a bad school.